If you've misplaced your electric toothbrush charger, you may still have safe ways to power it up depending on the model. Many newer toothbrushes now use USB charging, which means you can plug them into a laptop, desktop computer, USB wall adapter, or even a car USB port. If your brush supports USB-C or micro USB, a compatible cable with the correct power rating will work just fine. A portable power bank is another convenient solution, especially for travel. As long as the output matches your toothbrush's required voltage and amperage, it can safely recharge your device anywhere. Some premium models even support wireless charging and may work with Qi-enabled charging pads. Before using any alternative charger, check your user manual to confirm voltage and current requirements. Using the wrong output can damage the battery or shorten its lifespan. Avoid cheap, unverified third-party chargers that don't list proper specifications. For safety, never use frayed cables, cracked adapters, or chargers exposed to moisture. Keep charging equipment away from sinks and humid areas, and unplug once fully charged unless your model has certified overcharge protection. If you're unsure about compatibility, contacting the manufacturer is always the safest option.